Offshore Installation Manager, OIM, course. This training course equips aspiring offshore professionals with the essential knowledge and skills to effectively manage offshore oil and gas installations. Participants will gain a comprehensive understanding of the key responsibilities, regulatory requirements, and operational best practices required to ensure the safe and efficient running of offshore facilities. Course Overview. 1. Comprehensive Program. The OIM course conducted by Elite Offshore is designed for mid-level and high-level offshore rig workers. 2. Target Audience. It caters to those who wish to work on non-propulsion vessels, MODU, pipelay, accommodation barges, jack-up drilling units, semi-sub, and other such installations. 3. Accreditations. The course is based on IMO Resolution A.1079/28 and is approved by the Liberia, LISCR, flag state. Key responsibilities. Operational leadership. Oversee the day-to-day operations of the offshore installation, ensuring the efficient and safe execution of all tasks. Risk management. Identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks to the installation, personnel, and the environment. Personnel management. Coordinate and supervise the offshore team, ensuring they are properly trained and equipped to perform their duties. Regulatory requirements and standards. 1. Environmental compliance. Ensure the installation adheres to all applicable environmental regulations and industry best practices. 2. Health and safety. Implement and enforce robust health and safety protocols to protect personnel and prevent incidents. 3. Quality assurance. Maintain rigorous quality standards for all equipment, processes, and documentation. Course Curriculum. Stability and Construction OIM. Station Keeping, Mooring and Dynamic Positioning. Transit Operations. Emergency Procedures and Safety Equipment. Personnel Transfers. Handling and stowage of supplies, including dangerous goods. Pollution Prevention and Control. Meteorology. Safe Working Practices. Regulatory and certification requirements, including an appreciation of international and national regulations and recommendations affecting operations. Industrial operations as they relate to maritime safety, including appreciation of the interrelationship between marine operations and specific industrial activities, including, where appropriate. Requirements. 1. At least 4 years of experience serving aboard MOUs in a supervisory role such as driller, assistant driller, tool pusher, barge supervisor, mechanical supervisor, electrician, crane operator, or ballast control operator. 2. A Bachelor of Science degree from a recognized school of technology and at least 1 year of experience in one of the aforementioned supervisory positions. 3. A certificate of completion from an industry-accredited course for person in charge of mobile offshore unit, MOU, operations that covers the subjects outlined in Section 6.2 of IMO Resolution A.891/21. 4. A certificate of completion of an approved course in medical care as provided for by Section 5.4.2.5 of IMO Resolution A.891/21. However, this requirement may be waived if the MOU has a medical technician aboard. The general requirement for completion of a course in advanced first aid is not waived. 5. A certificate of completion of a DCO-approved radar course if the MOU you are employed aboard is radar-equipped and the minimum safe manning certificate mandates that deck officers hold radar observer certification. About us. Elite Offshore Private Limited, established in 2015, is a leading provider of offshore, marine, and industrial safety and skill training and certification programs. With a commitment to safety, compliance, and excellence, we empower professionals worldwide with the knowledge and skills they need for success in their careers. Academy was established in 2021, serves as our specialized division, providing customized e-learning solutions designed to meet the specific needs of the industry. Through Academy, we offer the IADC-accredited RigPass online course, alongside other valuable e-learning programs like IMDG code courses, basic first aid, and more.